Hello friends and welcome to my channel IP All Designing Developers. So today we are back with another video on this channel and we are back with C++ as well. Like in the previous videos also we have learned about C++ and I hope you enjoyed that video as well. But now we are back with our project series which we were covering up previously on C++ and today we are creating another project in C++ which will be really helpful for you and I hope you'll be enjoying this project. And the project which we are creating is a credit card validator project which we will be creating using C++. I hope you'll be enjoying all the things in this project which we are covering up. It will be a really different project, like the user will be getting the question, please enter your card number, and when the user will be entering the card number, he will be getting the card number he entered is valid or not. If it is not valid, so he will be showing invalid. If it is valid, so it will be showing as valid. So this video will be really amazing and helpful for you all. It will be a really small project, but it will be really helpful if you're working with C++ and want to create this real world project. In the future coming up videos, we will be also creating some other projects like that will be the big projects like website clone in C++, and I hope you'll be enjoying that. So just if you enjoy this video and if you understand this project of credit card validator which we are creating, so remember to hit a like, and if you're new on this channel want to see more videos like that, so remember to subscribe, and after subscribing hit notification bell as well so you can get the notifications of all my coming up videos which I'll be uploading on this channel. So now what we are waiting for, let's move to computer screen and let's get started with this project in C++. So now here we are on the computer screen, and like I've told you in the start that we are creating an amazing credit card validator project using C++. So now what we are waiting for, let's get started with the project. So before starting with the project, obviously we have to create a new file in C++. So I will be moving on to file. Then I will be pressing this new file here, and after pressing the new file we have to give the file name. I will be giving the file name as card, and I will be saving as C++ format, and to save the file in C++ format we have to give the name of your file, and after that you need to write the format of C++ obviously, which is .cpp. So we will be saving the file in C++ format. Now select the location where you have to create your file. I'll be selecting desktop and I'll be creating the file. So my file already exists with the same name, so I will be replacing that by pressing yes. And after replacing the file, you can just see we are getting the file card.cpp, means the file has been saved in C++ format, because we are also getting a small logo of C++ at the left. You can see that. Now after getting these all things, we have to start with the starting code of C++, so we can start working with this amazing project. And like you all know that is start we write include studio H, because we are creating a credit card validator and we will be using a different starting code here because we are using a math function here, and that is why we will be using different code here to work with this amazing project which we are creating here. So now I will be just doing the same thing, like I will be now using here include, and with that I will be giving a space and I will be writing studio.h, and after writing that simply I will be moving down and again I will be using include, but now I will be using the starting code of C++, which is include IOStream. So I will be using include IOStream here. It's not compulsory to write studio.h at the top. You can also take it down and IOStream at the top. It's your choice how you write. Now after that we will be using some of the string in this project as well. So I will be using include string as well here, and now in the end we will be using namespace std, so we can get all the functions working down. Then we will be writing a boolean value which is the short form as bool. Then here I will be writing a first string which is as isNumber string. You can give any of the name to your string. I have written isNumber. Then in this boolean value I will be writing const, and in const I will be writing another string, and this string we will be giving at this end s. Then after doing that I will be just moving down and I will be writing init len equal to s.length. So this is a short form of length, len, which I have written, but here I have written length because we are writing it with s, and obviously when we are writing with the string, so we have to define the length completely. So here after writing this I will be writing a for function with integer I equal to 0, and init is the short form of integer. Then I will be writing I and less than length, and then I'll be placing the I 2 times here so we can get the value of a string. Then I will be using curly brackets here. I'll be writing if value will be s square bracket integer. Then here I will be now writing here as 0, and this forward slash you can also say it's as a straight slash. Then I will be writing this I with s, means it is an integer value, so I will be writing 9 because it is an integer value obviously. If it is not an integer value, means if we are not using I here, so you can use a string value as well if you want, but obviously we are creating a project for a credit card validator, so we have to use a string, we have to use integer value. So I will be now returning the value as false if this value is not working, means if this thing is getting wrong, then we will be getting the return as false. After doing that, if it is correct, so we will be writing return the value as true. Then I will be using init main function, and in this main function we will be starting creating our first string, which is C number, and C number means that the card number. So this is another string which we have created. Then I will be now writing this count function, in which I will be writing this program uses the LUN algorithm, which is main algorithm of C++, to validate a card number. Means we are using a LUN algorithm to validate a card number here. You can also say as credit card number or debit card number, it can be. So I will be now writing this endl to end this function, means this count function. Then again I will be making another count, and here I will be writing you can enter exit anytime to exit, or you can say to quit as well, you can write. And then after writing this all things, I will be now writing endl function to end this count function as well. Then I will be writing as while equal to, or you can write in brackets as well as true, you can give a space after while, then make curly bracket, move down and write here the count value. And I will be writing here please enter a card number, credit card number. I will be writing like this, CC number means credit card number. Then I will be writing please enter a credit card number to validate, so user can validate that it is invalid or valid. Then here I will be writing sin, and I will be writing CC number, which is the string which we have used at the top. Then I'll be giving a space here, and I will be writing as credit card number. Then I will be writing equal to exit if value written exit, so break the function, means the function will be ended here if user write exit at any time. Then I'll be writing else if, then I'll be now writing here is number. So here I will be writing now as is number string. Then in this I will be writing another string which is the same as CC number, which means credit card number here. And after doing these all things, I will be now just moving down, and after moving down I will be using count, and here I will be writing as bad input. So you can just see we have written the value as bad input, give a space here, close it and write here continue. Then we will be continuing that by writing this init len credit card number dot length. Then here I will be closing this, and now here I will be writing double even sum equal to 0. So this is the value which we have written. Then write another function as for init I equal to len minus 2. Then I will be writing an integer value, and an integer value I will be writing equal to I minus 2 like this. Then here I will be writing init dbl equal to credit card number string again. Then we will be using integer here, and I will be minusing that integer with 48 and multiplying it by 2 in the end. Then I will be now just doing one thing, I will be closing it like this, and you can see we have closed the function. So now here you can just see we have just done till here, and then we were just writing the credit card number string with this integer, and then we will minusing that integer with 48, and in the end we will be multiplying it by 2. After doing that, simply I will be moving down, and I will be using again the dbl function here, and now I will be writing this greater than 9. Make another dbl function with again dbl, and then I will be writing forward slash means divide by 10. Then I will be writing plus, and here I will be writing dbl, and we will be getting the percentage of that. So I'll be multiplying, means I'll be getting the percentage by percentaging dbl by 10. Then here after doing that I will be moving down, and I will be writing here double even sum, and then I will be writing plus equal to dbl. So you will be getting all the dbls working. So I will be now writing for init means integer and equal to len minus 1, and then here I will be writing I, and here you have to write like this 0 I equal to 1, or you can just also write here I equal to I like this, means integer equal to integer minus 2. And after doing that, simply I will be now writing here double even sum, and here I will be writing plus equal to again string as credit card number I, and then I will be minusing that with 48. Then you have to just move down, and after moving down you have to now just use another function here. And as you know that we have just done these things till here, and then after doing these all things, simply I will be now doing another thing, like I will be just closing it by writing this close function, and then we will be using the count function here, and in this count I will be writing double even sum. So here I will be now writing as double even sum. Then I'll be writing this percentage sign 10 equal to 2 times equal to with 0, and here I will be writing as valid, and now here I will be writing invalid, and now after doing that I will be writing this exclamation mark here and invalid as well, so we can get the things working. And then I will be writing AND to end this function, and you will be seeing that this will be ready here. So I'll be writing continue here and then return the value as 0. So you can see now we have returned the value as 0, and you can just see if I save this all things here, close this, continue as well, save again, and if you run this command here, so you will be seeing that now we will be getting please enter credit card number. So you can just see we are getting this program uses the Loon algorithm to validate a card number, means credit card number. So you can enter exit anytime to quit, please enter a credit card number to validate. So now we have to add any credit card number. I can write any of the credit card number I want to write. Like I am writing this credit card number, so you can just see it is saying me it is invalid. If you want to write correct card number, you can write correct card number as well. It will be showing you like it is valid. So you can just see it is not working because now I'm writing invalid card number. Like randomly I'm writing any card number I want to. But if you want to write correct card number, you can write your correct card number to check your card number is valid or not. So it will be showing you. Now you can also take the help to the Google that you can see any of the example card number, you can paste here and see it is valid or not. But I'm writing randomly card numbers, and that is why it is showing me invalid again and again. You can write correct card number to see it is giving you valid or not. So I hope you enjoy this video in which I have told you that how you can create an amazing credit card validator, and I hope you enjoy this video in which we have just seen that how we can just create this amazing validator checker. You can just see a credit card validator checker. So if you enjoy this video and if you understand this amazing project which we have created, so remember to hit a like to this video, and if you're new on this channel, want to see more videos like that, so remember to subscribe, and after subscribing hit notification bell so you can get the notifications of all my coming up videos which I'll be uploading on this channel. So I'll be meeting next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorials. So for today, goodbye.